so today we're gonna do an eyebrow tutorial. We're gonna go from this to something else, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna use Ka-Brow today, right over here. And we're gonna use also Revolution. And we're gonna get started right now. And I'll take my brow. This is in the shade 6. And just outline right here. Lightly to how you want to start off this shape. If you can picture it, it's much easier. And I'm gonna go in and do the same up here. So I'm gonna just go right over. And I'm gonna fill this out quick and also do this eyebrow. And I'll come back when they're both done. Okay, so I did fill them in. They look dark a little bit, but it's my shade. And then right now I'm gonna outline with my NARS concealer. Here it is. And it looks almost empty, but it definitely works. And obviously draw a little line over here. Looks like a broken ass train track. But we're gonna pretend we're not done yet, and you wanna just, you know, do a tight curve right here. It just really depends with your face also. But this is how it looked for me. You're gonna end up fixing. Alright, but always spray primer or water does well. Always spray before you do your blending, no matter what. So you spray the blend. You pitch your face like no other day. Like seriously, you don't want to do that much, but you want to just puff. Alright guys, so I went on and I finished. This is the finished look. I think it looks good, so I mean, let me know how you guys think down in comments below.